So hey y'all, this is I mixed the silver metallic I mixed the silver metallic paint with purple metallic paint, and that's the color it made. And I'm sorry the camera was so close to the slime, y'all barely can see anything. But as y'all can't see, I have rubber bands and foam beads in here, colorful foam beads and colorful rubber bands. I'm sorry, I mean the cough drop because I'm kind of sick. So, yeah. And I think my camera is failing on that one. No, I know it. So, that's what I was doing. That's what I did when I put silver metallic and purple metallic in there. Yeah. And yeah. I am so sorry. I think y'all, I don't know if y'all did, but I think y'all heard my brother in the background. Yes, and I'm playing with slime. Right now, I recorded this yesterday. I'm sorry, guys. I recorded this yesterday. I forgot to do the voiceover, so I'm doing it today. And I'm with my friend, but if y'all follow my Musical.ly channel and my Snapchat, which is my Snapchat is something, and Musical.ly channel's magazines. I am so sorry my camera failed. Like, I tried to put it back up there, but I just didn't. So I'm with my friend and Takira and Sanaya, and you see, I'm in the game room, so nobody can hear me. That's why you can't hear nobody. So I just held my phone for the rest of this video, and that is some good slime, y'all. It's a little sticky, but you see, it's good. And I mixed like this rubber band slime that had a lot of rubber bands that was a different color together with this. Then that's like what it made, because at first it was a jiggly slime, then it turned into this when I added that slime. So it's like a slime smoothie. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and this is the end of the video. I'm sorry I had to carry on this video, but this is the end of the video, and I really hope you like it. Please subscribe and comment down below if you like this video, and like. And follow my Snapchat, which I will tell y'all in my next video. And follow my Musical.ly, which is Maddie_Mins with a crown emoji. MINNONS. That's how you spell. That's how I spell my name. I don't know if you know how to spell. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but I just spelled it like that. That's the game. So stop. Don't say anything. Okay. Sorry, I was talking to my friend. So, yeah. And until next time, it's Maddie Hudson. Bye-bye.